Hey, it's Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas, and we're here with Jodie Becker, swim spa owner, and we're here to talk about some of the myths of swim spa ownership. Jodie, you've had the swim spa for 1 year now, and I know you've been using it a lot, you've been training in it, you've been partying in it, you've been relaxing in it. How's the water chemistry? How's the water maintenance? Is it tough to maintain?
It was hard at first. There were some learning curves for sure.
Yeah.
One time we actually did have that it was so cloudy we had to drain it.
Yeah.
Mike did a lot of research and is now on top of it, but it was a challenge at first.
Yeah, so, maybe we can talk a little bit about the Hydropool swim spa, and we talk about it as being self-cleaning, right? Easy to maintain, but it's interesting that you talk about that in the first, kind of 3 or 4 months. We call that the honeymoon period of the ownership of a swim spa. Over the time period when Mike, your husband, was learning it, did it get easier, and is it easier now?
It has gotten easier.
Yeah.
I don't know if the beginning was a honeymoon period because we were in it so much and
Yeah.
it kept getting cloudy and we didn't know what to do. I learned that if you do a few things, like if you keep the filter clean
Yeah.
and you make sure that you put it in the solution and you stay on top of that and you check the chemistry daily, it's fine.
Awesome.
Yeah.